How to track an Android phone's location. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can literally track an Android phone's location. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to track any Android phone's location, first thing first, you just need to make sure that that device actually does support the cloud-based feature. Here I'm using my Redmi Note 9, so if you're using Xiaomi Redmi devices, then you already have the cloud-based feature. But if you're using any other Android device, then you just need to make sure that your device does support the cloud-based feature. And let's say here I have this device and I just want to track this phone location. Now to do that, all you have to do is you just need to go to the settings of that device, and from the settings you just need to scroll down a little bit and he'll get to see the option called account. He'll get to see the EMI account. You just need to tap on your brand account, and right after that make sure that you have actually logged in with your Xiaomi account. He'll get to see I already logged in with my account, and right after that you just need to scroll down, tap on Xiaomi Cloud right over here. Inside this one you just need to scroll down again and he'll get to see the Find Devices feature. Option and the feature can be different, but you just need to find out this feature is called Find Devices, and then go ahead and tap on this one and you just need to enable Find Devices option from here. If you don't know how to set up Find Devices feature on your Android phone, then I already make a dedicated video about it. I'll give you the link in the description. You'll check the video out after watching this video. And once you have enabled this feature, now this phone is findable. Now you can find this phone from anywhere you want. And let's say I just want to track that Android phone from my iPhone, but you can use any device that you have. It can be computer, tablet, or any other device. Simply go ahead and open up any browser from that device. So I'm going to open up the Chrome browser from my iPhone, and I just need to search for Xiaomi Cloud. The reason why I'm using this Xiaomi device, so you just need to search with your specific name cloud. So I'm gonna search for Xiaomi Cloud right over here, and once you have searched for it, he'll get to see the very first link. So I'm gonna tap on the first link and it will ask you to log in with your Xiaomi account. I already log in with my Xiaomi account, he'll get to see. So you just need to log in with your Xiaomi account username and password, and once you have logged in with your Xiaomi Cloud, he'll get to see the very first option, Find Devices. You just need to tap on this one and it will take a little time and it's going to show you your devices. So you just need to tap on this device. I'm going to tap on Redmi Note 9 and it will take a little time and it's going to show the exact location of that specific Android phone. So he'll get to see this is the exact location. So if I tap on Hybrid, he'll get to see the 3D view from here. And this is how you actually can track an Android phone's location. It's pretty quick and easy. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.